Just a short ferry ride from the bustling streets of Manhattan lies a tranquil escape Governor's Island. This 172-acre island offers breathtaking views, rich history, and a plethora of activities. Whether you seek adventure, relaxation, or a glimpse into the past, Governor's Island has something for everyone. Governor's Island is a unique blend of nature and urban life. You can stroll through lush gardens, explore historic forts, and enjoy art installations, all while taking in stunning views of the city skyline. This hidden gem is easily accessible and offers a welcome respite from the city's hustle and bustle. Join us as we delve into the wonders that await on Governor's Island. Governor's Island boasts a captivating history dating back centuries. Native Americans were the first inhabitants, using the island for fishing and hunting. In the 1600s, European explorers arrived, and the island changed hands between the Dutch and the English. It served as a strategic military outpost for centuries. During the Revolutionary War, both American and British forces occupied the island. Later, it became a key defense point during the War of 1812 and both World Wars. The island's military past is evident in its well-preserved forts, cannons, and other historical structures. These remnants offer a glimpse into a bygone era and stand as a testament to the island's strategic importance throughout history. After centuries of military use, Governor's Island has a rich history that dates back to the early days of American defense. Governor's Island underwent a remarkable transformation, evolving from a strategic military outpost to a beloved public space. In 2003, the island was transferred from federal control to the people of New York, marking a significant shift in its purpose and use. This marked a new chapter for Governor's Island, one focused on public access and recreation, opening up new opportunities for the community. Today, the island is a vibrant public park with sprawling lawns, beautifully maintained gardens, and extensive walking paths that invite exploration and relaxation. The transformation from military base to urban oasis is a testament to the power of urban renewal and the importance of public spaces in enhancing the quality of life for city residents. Visitors can now enjoy the island's natural beauty, explore its rich history through various landmarks and preserved buildings, and participate in a wide range of recreational activities, from biking and kayaking to attending cultural events and festivals. Governor's Island stands as a shining example of how former military sites can be transformed into vibrant community assets, offering a unique blend of history, nature, and recreation against the stunning backdrop of the New York City skyline. Reaching Governor's Island is a breeze. Ferries operate regularly from both Manhattan and Brooklyn, making the island easily accessible. The ferry ride itself is an experience, offering stunning views of the Statue of Liberty, Ellis Island, and the lower Manhattan skyline. From Manhattan, ferries depart from the Battery Maritime Building near Battery Park. In Brooklyn, you can catch a ferry at Pier 6 in Brooklyn Bridge Park. The ferry ride is short and scenic, typically taking less than 10 minutes. Once you arrive on the island, you'll find it easy to navigate on foot or by bike. There are also free shuttle buses that circle the island, providing convenient transportation to key attractions. Section 5. Unveiling the Island's Charms. Welcome to Governor's Island, a hidden gem in the heart of New York Harbor. Governor's Island offers a diverse array of attractions for visitors of all ages. Whether you're here for a day trip or a weekend getaway, there's something for everyone to enjoy. History buffs will be captivated by the island's military forts, including Fort Jay and Castle Williams. These historic landmarks tell the story of the island's strategic importance over the centuries. These imposing structures offer a glimpse into the island's past and provide stunning views from their ramparts. Imagine standing where soldiers once stood, guarding the harbor. Nature lovers can escape the city bustle in Governor's Island's 120 acres of parkland. The lush green spaces are perfect for picnics, leisurely strolls, or simply unwinding in a serene environment. Hammock Grove, with its inviting hammocks strung between trees, is the perfect spot to relax and soak up the sun. It's an idyllic place to read a book, take a nap, or just enjoy the gentle sway of the hammocks. The Hills, a landscaped park with rolling hills and scenic overlooks, offers panoramic views of the harbor and skyline. Climb to the top for a breathtaking perspective of New York City and its surroundings. For art enthusiasts, the island hosts rotating art installations and exhibitions throughout the year. These creative displays add a vibrant cultural dimension to the island experience. From sculptures to interactive displays, there's always something new to discover. The art installations often reflect contemporary themes and engage visitors in unique ways. Governor's Island truly offers something for everyone. Whether you're interested in history, nature, art, or simply a relaxing day out, this island paradise has it all. Come and explore the many charms of Governor's Island. Section 6. A playground for art enthusiasts. Governor's Island has become a hub for contemporary art, showcasing innovative and thought-provoking works. The island's unique setting, with its blend of history and nature, provides a captivating backdrop for art installations. The annual Governor's Island Art Fair, held in the historic houses of Nolan Park, features works by emerging and established artists. The island also hosts site-specific installations and sculptures that interact with the landscape. These art experiences add another layer of discovery to a visit to Governor's Island. Whether you're a seasoned art aficionado or simply enjoy exploring creative expressions, the island's art scene is sure to inspire. Section 7. Pedal your way to adventure. One of the best ways to explore Governor's Island is by bike. The island offers a unique blend of natural beauty and urban charm, making it an ideal destination for cyclists of all levels. With its car-free environment and scenic waterfront paths, the island is a cyclist's paradise. Imagine pedaling along the water's edge, with the gentle breeze and the sound of waves accompanying your ride. You can bring your own bike or rent one on the island from one of the several bike rental vendors. These vendors offer a variety of bikes to suit your needs. Whether you're looking for a standard bike, a tandem, or even an electric bike for a little extra boost. Pedal along the island's perimeter for breathtaking views of the harbor and the Statue of Liberty. This route offers some of the most iconic vistas, perfect for photo opportunities and moments of reflection. Explore the interior paths to discover hidden gardens, historic sites, and art installations. Each turn reveals a new surprise, from lush greenery to intriguing sculptures and historical landmarks that tell the story of the island's past. For a more leisurely experience, rent a Surrey bike and enjoy a ride with family or friends. These multi-person bikes are perfect for group outings, allowing everyone to pedal together and share the adventure. Biking is a fun and healthy way to experience all that Governor's Island has to offer. Not only does it provide great exercise, but it also allows you to cover more ground and see more of the island's diverse attractions in a single visit. Section 8. Indulge in culinary delights. No visit to Governor's Island is complete without sampling the culinary delights on offer. From food trucks to sit-down restaurants, there are options for every taste and budget. For a quick bite, grab a burger, tacos, or ice cream from one of the many food trucks parked near the ferry landing. For a more substantial meal, head to one of the restaurants with waterfront views. Enjoy fresh seafood, wood-fired pizzas, or classic American fare while soaking up the scenery. Governor's Island's dining scene is as diverse as its attractions, ensuring a satisfying culinary experience. As Section 9, a haven for relaxation and recreation. Governor's Island is the perfect destination to escape the city's hustle and bustle and embrace relaxation. Unwind in Hammock Grove, where you can sway gently in a hammock while enjoying the fresh air and sunshine. Spread out a blanket on the great lawn for a picnic with friends and family. Take a leisurely stroll along the waterfront promenade, taking in the views of the harbor and the city skyline. Kids will love running through the sprinklers at the play lawn. Kids will also enjoy exploring the adventures at the urban farm. Governor's Island offers a tranquil escape for visitors of all ages. Section 10. A year-round destination. While Governor's Island is especially popular during the warmer months, it offers year-round attractions and activities. During the fall, the island transforms into a vibrant display of autumn colors. The annual Pumpkin Point event features pumpkin carving, hay rides, and other festive activities. In the winter, the island hosts ice skating, holiday markets, and other winter wonderland experiences. Spring brings blooming flowers, outdoor concerts, and the return of the island's popular food vendors. No matter the season, Governor's Island offers a unique and memorable experience. Section 11. Conclusion. Your island escape awaits. Governor's Island is a true gem in New York City's harbor. From its rich history and stunning views to its diverse attractions and recreational opportunities, the island offers something for everyone. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or a glimpse into the past, Governor's Island has it all. So, hop on a ferry and discover this hidden oasis just a stone's throw from the city's bustling streets. Your island escape awaits.